Grade 3 is Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We're going to continue with our fiqh. So I want you to take out your fiqh kitab and you're going to open up to lesson 7 quickly. Right? We started with the lesson on ghusal. Remember, ghusal means to wash the entire body from a greater form of impurity. And the faraid of ghusl are to gargle, to put water into the nostrils, and to pour water over the entire body from head to toe without leaving a single hair dry. Remember the difference between wudu and ghusl. Wudu means to wash parts of your body, whereas ghusl means to wash the entire body. Today we're going to continue with lesson 8, and that is on page 32. And we're talking about the Sunnah method of ghusl. Now before we start with the lesson, I want you just to recap on the difference between farad and sunnah. Remember, farad is something which Allah Ta'ala commands you to do. You have to do it. If you don't do a farad act, your ibadah is not accepted. Then we have the sunnah, which is something that Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam done and encouraged other people to do. You get more reward if you follow out a sunnah. And if you don't do a sunnah, but you only do the farad, your ibadah will be accepted. So remember that. The sunnah method of making ghusl. Allah Ta'ala rewards us for making ghusl according to the method shown to us by Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Remember, you will get more reward. The sunnah manner of making ghusl is, number 1, to make niyyah. Remember, before you do anything, you always start with your niyyah. And your niyyah is, oh Allah, I am performing ghusl to cleanse my body so that I can make ibadah. Number 2, wash both hands up to the wrist. Remember, your hands are used for everything. So in order to clean your body, you need to make sure that your hands are clean. Number 3, wash the private parts. Remember, your private parts are important on your body in order to be clean or dirty. A soiled private part, that means if you don't perform your istinja correctly, can result to you smelling. You can get sick, and shaitan follows a person that does not wash properly. And one of the punishments in the grave is for a person who messes urine and does not worry to clean it. So be very careful on washing perfectly after you use the bathroom. After you use the toilet, sorry. And then make your wudu. This could be your full wudu. Remember, if you do your sunnah wudu, you get more reward. If you do your farad wudu, your ibadah will be accepted. Number 5, pour water over the head 3 times. That is the center part of your body, to wash the center part of your body 3 times. Then pour water over the right shoulder 3 times, where you're standing, where your right shoulder is under the water. And you let the water flow at least 3 times. Thereafter, pour water over the left shoulder, so you move yourself where the left shoulder is under the water, and you let the water flow 3 times. Then number 8, rub the body well each time so that not a single hair remains dry. To make sure that you wipe your body or rub your body so that water reaches every part of your body. Questions on this page? What is the sunnah method of making ghusl? The sunnah method is to make ghusl according to the method shown to us by Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Will your ghusl be complete if a sunnah is left out? Remember, ghusl will be complete if a sunnah is left out, but if a farad is left out, your ghusl will not be accepted. Why must you make ghusl according to the sunnah method? To get more reward. Number 4, how many times do you wash each part to complete a farad? Remember, farad is once, because there's only one Allah. You remember, farad is once. How many times is it to wash? How many times must you wash to complete a sunnah? 3 times. Remember, Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam always emphasized to wash 3 times. On the next page, that is on page 34, I want you to complete the word search. And on page 35, you join the dots and you color in this activity. Please make a marking on the sabak page, on this lesson page, that is lesson 8, and write today's date, which is 6/07. So you know that is your lesson for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.